All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make this text overlap with transparency. So we'll go up to Window, and I'm going to open up the type character. So go to Type Character, and this is mainly your font control. I'm going to hit Show Options. There's more stuff here. This is primarily for you to mess with if you haven't done this before. But right here, you can set the tracking. If I hold Shift and push it, jumps it down by tens. And I'm just going to show you real quick, like you can do something like that, right? That looks amazing, but there's no transparency or anything to it. So let's not do that. I'm going to select this. I'm going to go up here to Type, and we're going to go to Create Outlines. That makes it not a font anymore. It's now shapes. And then I'm going to go to Object and ungroup it because they're grouped together. So now I can manipulate each letter. So just to real quick, just jump these over. I'm going to grab them. I'm holding Shift so they move in a straight line. Otherwise, they just go all over the place. So I'm going to move this over to somewhere for demonstration purposes. I'm not really laying out a pro logo here, but it's still going to look pretty sweet. Okay, almost done, and we're done. So I'm going to grab all those, center them here. Okay, we got that. Now we're going to go to Window and Transparency. And for the sake of this, I mean, I'm going to change the color real quick here. Let me change it to something we can see. There we go. Now, I'm going to change this whole thing to 50. See that? Now, everything's 50% transparency, but when they're overlapping like this, it's 100 here, 50 there, 50 there, right? So, if you really want to play with this, like, in a nice orderly fashion, you can say every other one's going to be at 25 and then 50. Then you get some real cool effect. I mean, they're going in and out of each other like that. Looks pretty nice. However, if you really want to take all the way over, this is pretty insane. You go to Window, pull down to Pathfinder, and now if I hit this one here on the left, it's called Divide. It's going to cut each one out like permanently. So now it is grouped. So ungroup. And look at this. I got each little one. So I could then really fine tune this stuff. I can make that one this color. I can make this piece this color. Really sky's the limit. So see that? That's pretty rad. So, I mean, that's the gist of overlaps and overlaying text on top of each other. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.